Hi, my name is Ruven. I am from Germany and I'm here for the organization of Ruanga. And we are trying to establish, or we've been developing, and now we're trying to establish a program for kids for physical activity as well as for adults later on. We've been working on a program to do or to incorporate playful activities to develop movement patterns, hand-eye coordination, and many other things which are important for kids for a healthy life, a healthy future. And behind us is the first role class, actually, that Christoph from Belgium is right now teaching, lecturing, and a teacher from the school here is going to be handed over the baton from us to continue with the education. Somebody's throwing and you try to do the matrix. All right.
Okay. وقتي طب وودي.
Like this, in the outside. Tell them outside in the shoe.
Okay.
Not inside, okay? Can you tell them?
Let's go. Take him.
Give me some. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Let's go. Zor baş. Not. Sahkane deste. Yeah.
Done?
Yeah. Alles klar.
Alles klar?
Alles klar.
All right. Next one. They can do in a push-up position, right? Number 5.
Okay. Yek. Do. Yek.
Yeah, they should copy our movement, yeah? Yalla, let's go.
يلا. Yek. Do. Say. وهذا الفسفور الأحمر ماكو واحد لازم يطلع وراه ولا تروحون ورا هذا الفسفور الأحمر اللي مخليه بس بالرجعة ماشي يلا ايد دود هاي ده بعد روحي انت مجال يلا انت مجال اختي يلا ليش يجي ارجع يلا شو تسوون هنا يلا عافيه